Look up.
Unsa niya? Look up. Pusin ako sa look up.
Look down. Look up. Look down. Look down. Look down. Okay, look up.
Akala mo lihok ang ulo.
Ano? Look up.
Di ba wala?
Ano ka sa baba? Okay, look up. Down. Left.
Ala! Ayan! Sige, balik sa first. Balik sa first.
Balik, theoretical background.
Is the background of the study. Ay.
Ano lang?
Hi po. What sign is that? Sign language? Ay, let me ask, what is your love language?
My love language is acts of service. Everything.
Everything. Okay, nasa liyon lahat. What's your love language? None. President, what's your love language?
None.
None. What's your love language, Alberca?
Nanday.
Wala ka?
Nanday.
What's your love language?
Yes. Ano, nanday?
Wala pa. Alicia, what's your love language?
Physical touch, word of affirmation.
Kabilaw. Lisa. Ay. Busy ka. What's your love language?
Quality time.
Mura.
Quality time because like busy man sa generation ka na ma-appreciate na ko yung mga person na make time for
Thank you. Ay, what's your love language, Mehira?
Huh?
What's your love language?
Ayun na lang.
What's your love language, Maru?
Masaya. Babagan.
What?
Masaya.
Ah, okay. What's your love language to Angel? Okay, louder. Ako service.
Di man sa di mo focus ay. Girls at the back on. Dali ya, dyan nakadaga ni Jasmine. Oo, na kayo guys. Nani, lan imong ballpen, akong dolman. Are you ready? Hi guys. Ay, Captain. I can see you. Oh, media. Di man niya ho,
Dili nabilin sa room dahil niya wala na nito.
Why won't you
Sa color ang green, sa green. Oh, you know that.
What if ka na ito pagamit pa?
The green.
Green mo dito. Don't think we could help it. Oh, I don't think we could help it.
Guys, pagalim. That's why let go pa. Mo na siya. That's why letting go is asam na dapit.
Gatong gato na wala yung Nazareno. Nazareno. Oh, na.
Bingo ka na ba?
Ara, oh, naniya ka na. Uy, man nakag-note. Sabi yung note mo.
Ayan na sa baby. Hindi man mamaymi.
Lahat na yata.
Atulog ato ni.
General na lang ni Marino.
Morning tindera sa eucalyptus, guys. Kung dili mo palit, guys, bukon mo.
Kaya Sony.
Kasi balikan ni ma'am. Alright.
Ako'y Biko.
Bingo?
Because everyone is
Deserve a second. Accepted.
Why is acceptance important in a relationship?
Because everyone is accepted.
Because everyone is different.
Ah, okay.
They're unique.
Jasmine, Nicole plus Hadol. Ah, sweet kayo sila, guys. Ito ka, sweet kayo sila, guys. Hadol plus Nicole.
Ano ang usa ka relationship dapat mutually beneficial.
Because if usara mo sa one-sided love and ang usara mo nag work fight for your relationship.
Oh, healthy relationship magandang kalahan.
Yes.
Kabila! Namin yun lang! Kabila! Kasi, Jigas. Spread mo na pala. Spread your wings. On the wings of love.
Yes, you belong to me.
Kumain, nag-meaning na yun.
This is Hadol, guys. Our happy pill. Busy daw. Naong sa busy daw, naong sa busy. Di ko inisip na mawawala ka pa. Sino nga ba siya? Di siya ma-focus. Wait, naong sa Ronaldo.
Ato na lang i-vary ang question. Theoretical background, if you already have your findings and you need to relate this to your theoretical background, which is either two,
Pag. Pag.
or agree. So either confirm or negate.
Na-zoom na ako. Na-zoom. Na-zoom. In the simplest way possible, define what is a conceptual framework, what does it show, and why is it important? You have 15 seconds to answer. Again, the question is define what is a conceptual framework, what does it show, and why is it important? 15 seconds to answer.
Conceptual framework is the structure of your study. It shows the variables of your study.
Pretty eye.
And that it is very important because it is the plan of how your study will be.
It's the plan of how your study will be. Okay, very good. The conceptual framework is basically your map or the guide of your entire papers. It shows the plan, it shows the flow of your entire study. Very good. Group
Three, ma'am.
Okay, group number 3. Next.
Group 4! Group 4!
Competitive yung top. Competitive yung top.
Good luck, Group 4! Congrats!
Number 4, the simplest way possible. Define, sorry, not define. Okay. Explain the importance of your theoretical knowledge.
Theoretical is important since it serves as the foundation of the study or research tapos such as siya yung mag-support and
Time's up. Very good. It's
Smile nak. Smile nak.
question. Follow up.
Smile, niwal.
Follow up question to the question of theoretical background.
Oy, goodbye.
Okay, group number 3. If a group, sige, atayin na natin. If a group answers more than times, I will take out the name of the group niya. Ako sa ibalik to give chance to other groups. Ha? Kailangan sa sila rin magiging points. Okay? Follow-up question to that one. How do you go back to your theoretical background in your profession? When you choose which terms are to be defined operationally. Again, what factors are at play or what goes on in the decision-making process when you decide which terms in the research paper should be defined operationally. Pagbubuhay ka ba? Saan na mo pag-decide na kani siya term i-define operationally? Kani okay na ito sa buwa? Kani operational? Kani okay.
General meaning sa magamit din sa iyong study.
Okay, very good. How do you decide which terms are to be defined operationally in your research paper? You look at the general meaning or the conceptual meaning first, and then if malahit na gani ang definition, anak ng word, if malahit na gani ang definition, anak ng word, sa kay imo naman siyang di-alter pag abot sa imuhang paper, then that's when you include that term in the operational definition terms. Follow-up question to the topic on the operational
Yoy's
definition.
Yoy's group 1. Go group 4. Group 2. Group 2. Wala na yun eh.
Okay. Diba, operational definition of terms is a list of words wherein you define the words based on how you utilize the words in the paper. What are non-negotiable terms that should be found in the operational definition of terms? Again, what are non-negotiable terms that should be found in the list of definition of terms? Non-negotiables. Meaning, dapat naagin siya diha, no matter what. Dapat makita din na lang kung siyang word diha, no matter what.
Most use na words sa
Try mo ha. Most words. So when you say most used words in the research study, so if I put or if you see the word research, if you see the word researcher in every page of the research paper, should I put the word researcher in the operational definition? What are non-negotiables? Kailan non-negotiables? Kailan dapat maayos siya diha. Isag magkinaunsa, dapat makita ginagakot siya diha ang words. And what
No, no.
Ano dapat na ang gili ang definition sa variable?
Okay, ako na yung pinaka-important issue.
Ha? May pinaka-importance? Okay. Because variables are observed and measured. And then, di ba maglahi-lahi ang pag-weigh sa measure kada pa-case?
What can you say about your grade sa PR?
All I can say is chamba.
Wow, nakachamba pa siya ikaw. Ano kita na sustansi?
Very contented because highest. Pili mo.
Pila ka?
Argue for earn. Matugi! Balik yun ni Cassandra, lamig ka. Pila.
Ano na? What is that? What is that? Yoko, luod! What can you say about your grade sa PR?
Ano pa man, Bagan?
It's okay? Are you contented? Yay!
Yay!